Get ready to be floored by this next group of professionals, literally.
We build basketball courts, jogging tracks, weight rooms for different entities like churches, YMCAs, Boys and Girls Clubs. We've done stuff for the NBA, for the Grizzlies here in Memphis. We do a lot of college work, University of Memphis, University of Mississippi, Southern Miss, LSU, Arkansas State.
For nearly 15 years, Bruce and the team at Sports Floors has been committed to providing the Mid-South with the most beautiful, long-lasting athletic flooring available. This group doesn't mind if you walk all over them. In fact, they're counting on it.
But what sets us apart from our competition is that we try to educate customers. We take them into a showroom and give them a basketball and let them actually dribble on the floors and see how they feel. It's a lot different than bringing in a little sample board and saying, hey, here's your basketball floor that you're going to spend $100,000 on.
These hardcourt heroes have laid a solid foundation in their field. Now other professionals are bringing the business to them. Talk about a home court advantage.
I'll tell you what really gets me is when I get calls from architects from all over Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, or Louisiana, and they say, we're coming to Memphis with our customer to show them the basketball courts. They know that we're the experts, so they're bringing the customers into us.